Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxyluxe unboxing for December. I took out all the padding yesterday to like clean up and everything just came crashing down. So it's December. Next month is 2021. This is the last box of the year. And so I'm very excited for what is inside of it. If you guys don't know, Boxycharm is a $25 beauty subscription service. It comes with 5 full-size products to your door every month, and it's always over a $125 value. They do have 2 upgrades, which is Boxycharm Premium, which either goes in place of the base box, this is $35 a month, and they have Boxycharm Luxe, which replaces the base box 4 times a year. Boxycharm Luxe is $50 and it is quarterly, so every 3 months you get a upgrade to your base box, and the other months you get the base box. I have been getting the Luxe since it came out, I think almost 2 years ago now. Almost 3 years ago? Am I old? It was definitely 3 Septembers ago this September. So I've been getting this box for 3 years, the upgrade, and I have always been really excited for the products we get inside. They're a bit more like exclusive. They're a bit more expensive, and the boxes for me have always been over $300, which is crazy because you spend $50 on the box. I have found some of my favorite holy grail products in here, including face brushes and, you know, like lifestyle things. So let's just jump into the box and see what I got this month. So this month's theme is Boxycharm Bubbles and Glitz, like we're ushering in the new year. So I got to customize 2 products in this box, and the first thing I customized was from Luxie. It is these little earrings. I lost my earrings the other day. They actually fell out into the toilet, and I was like, this is a sign, and I flushed them because I didn't want to put my hand in. So I was actually really happy that I had customized this a few weeks before. These retail for $36. They said these stud earrings feature brilliant 2-carat cushion cut cubic zirconia surrounded by sparkly pave halos. Say hello to your new favorite everyday, every occasion earrings. And these are super beautiful. They're super reflective, and I really liked wearing them, so I'm excited to continue to wear them. The next thing in the box I got was from Avant. I wasn't particularly pumped with the choices we got this Boxycharm Luxe. I was happy for the Luxie, but the other one we got, I didn't feel like it was great. So I chose like one of the things that I've never used really before, but I've been excited to try. This is from KVD Vegan Beauty, and this is the Dagger Tattoo Liner. This retails for $21. It says experience effortless winged liner looks with an innovative eyeliner especially engineered for easy application on every eye shape. Do you guys remember when this was the only eyeliner people would use on YouTube? Like every single video it would be like, that is the only liner to use, like, or bust. And I wanted one so badly, but like my ass could not spend $21 on an eyeliner back then. Like I was broke at college, like working the most hours I could and struggling. So it's cool that I have it now. All right, the next thing we got in the box is from Sunday Riley, my first Sunday Riley product ever. This is the Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. I'm just gonna read from the bottle instead of from the card. This retails for expensive though, $85, which is, this is buys you the box. It says, deeply exfoliates the dull surface of skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. Visibly brightens the appearance of dark spots and discolorations. Instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles within 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin as a leave-on treatment. Can be applied on top of a sleeping night oil and before your moisturizer. They said this could be a mask or an overnight treatment, so that's good. I like effortless things like overnight treatments that I could use 1 to 2 days a week. All right, the next thing we got in the box is from Hipdot. I've actually never used anything from Hipdot, even though I've been curious about Hipdot. This is the C-Note palette. C-Note, am I saying that right? C-Note pressed eyeshadow palette. This retails for $30, and it is a really cool bluey toned shadow. Oh, just the cardboard. It smells like cardboard. This is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, talc-free, and mineral oil-free. I opened this and I immediately thought of a geode, and I thought of myself, like, what could I do with this palette? And I think I'm gonna do a geode-y look. Even though geodes are typically like purple with amethyst, We're gonna do a blue geode look, I think. It says, unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of C-Note, a homage to the sacred underground pools in Mexico. In this hyper-pigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, this shade here is like my favorite. It's like this like dirty greeny gold shade. It's called Cave. I like that. I'm excited to use this palette and see, you know, get my feelings on Hipdot. Hipdot's a brand that I probably wouldn't have tried if not for Boxycharm, and I love like learning about new brands and trying new products. Again, with Sunday Riley too, I never would do that. All right, the next product we got in the box is from Luxie. Beside Alamar, which doesn't have like an expansive brush collection, Luxie are my favorite brushes ever. It comes in this beautiful little baggie, and there are all the brushes. This is a perfect thing to take with you on vacations. Not that we're doing that right now because we're all quarantining as we should, but when one day we can travel again, this will be a perfect thing to take with us. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there are 8 brushes in here. These brushes, and I can already speak for the quality because Luxie brushes are always the highest quality brushes that I've ever used. I've owned them for years and years and years and they don't shed. So this retails for $85. It says, offering a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending. This set has all you need to create perfect holiday looks. It comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red pouch. I'm living for this pouch. I think I might keep these brushes in this pouch because it's so cute, and I don't usually do that. Crazy. Next product. And I think this is like the least exciting for me. This is from Reza. I've never heard of this brand before, and it is the Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In for all hair types leave-in treatment. It's $22 and it says, formulated with gold infused shield. This leave-in features 7 mystic ingredients: champagne for high shine, crushed diamonds for brilliance. That's the one I don't really believe. Rose of Jericho to nourish, pea protein for strength, king coconut oil to fortify, black truffle oil to moisturize, and strawberry seed extract for antioxidants. I got in one of my Boxyluxes the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Also, I'm just going to say this doesn't stay on. This top just keeps coming off and I can't stand it. I got the Hydrating Hair Balm and I've been obsessed with that, and I cannot not use that now. Like, I've noticed such a significant difference in my hair that really, honestly, truly, I will never not use that product. So I'm only like really cautious about this one because I know how good my hair looks with the IGK one, and pretty much you just spray this on damp hair and run it through with your fingers or a brush and voila. So one day when I'm feeling adventurous and I don't have to see people, I will try it and we will see. It'll be the battle of the leave-in masks. Okay, the next product is from Avant. Now when I saw the price of this, I'm skeptical. This retails for $135. I've never heard of Avant before. I feel like with like the really expensive brands like Sicily, you like hear about them. Or like Drunk Elephant's really expensive. I've never heard of Avant before, but this is the Glycolic Mica Argentine Urea Shea Butter Intensive Redensifying Day Moisturizer. It's a tiny little bottle, and this is $35, and that's kind of what I don't believe. It says, the ideal remedy against time, this day moisturizer aims to offer a complete response to signs of skin slacking. A revolutionary formula with rich texture combines glycolic acid and mica to correct the effects of epidermal aging and improve skin density, luminosity, and volume. Well, we'll just see about that because I don't know. I feel like that's just... I feel like I would have heard... I feel like I would have heard of it. The brand. Maybe I have. I just don't... Sometimes Boxycharm gives us products that I'm like, this doesn't, for me, make sense. This is this expensive with like this size. Like they one time gave us like moisturizer with like gold flakes in it. And like it wasn't that great of a moisturizer. It was like $95. And I was like, I sometimes wonder if they do it to boost up the overall value of the box. But it smells good. I put a little bit on the back of my hand and it feels good. I don't think this will change my whole life, but I could be wrong. And the last product we got in the box is from Iconic London. This is the Blaze Chaser Face Palette, and it looks like this. So we have a matte bronzer here, a shimmer bronzer, 2 blushes, and 2 highlighters. This retails for $55, and it says an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing, and to add natural looking warmth and definition, blush shades, and to have a lit from within glow highlight. So I really do like Iconic London. I actually did have their brow gel, like with the brush, like the soap brows, in my cart on Ulta for a long time, but I just spent money on, I just bought like 4, for what reason, Megan? I don't know, but like 4 eyebrow gels, so I decided to put that one to the side. But everything I've used from Iconic London I've been really like pleased by, so I'm very excited for this palette, and we will see. Okay, so that is everything in the box. I'm just gonna quickly total it up so we know how much this girl be. So the total for this box was $457, and I'm just gonna take out the Avant just to see how much it would be. See, without the Avant, it's still like significant. It's still a $334 box, but I feel like maybe I'm being a little too hard on this Avant, but I feel like that cannot like live up to the claims it has. I will continue to get Boxycharm, I'll continue to get Boxyluxe, and I'm excited to see what the new year brings. I'm sending all of us some positive vibes for 2021, that we all are smarter, healthy, safer, that we get through this pandemic together, we all get vaccinated, and we can start really truly like living our lives and caring about the people around us. That's my hope for 2021. Oh, and also like a lot of political stuff, but we'll see what happens. All right, until next time, subscribe if you want to, and thank you for watching. Bye.